let's get started. All the way to One Piece. Well, actually, it's straight to the edge of the stars. That's why we're drawing Omni Naut Heatblast from the Ben 10 movie. It has been a long time since Ben 10 had its own movie. Remember I taught you guys how to draw Omni Naut Jet Ray? Well, this is the Omni Naut suit for Heatblast. The first alien that Ben has ever become. Why do I have this sudden emotion that he's never going to stop evolving? I mean, this guy's amazing. Besides the fact that he can create fire. One of my favorite ones would be the Omni Kicks Heatblast. Here's Omni Naut's laser cannon. There you go. There's his hand. The first time I saw Heatblast turn into his Omni Naut state was after the Incursion Judge ship was under attack. Well, and by that I meant to say he was going to fall into a cliff. I feel like there were more than one Omni Naut in the show, but all there is was this guy. Now here's his foot. And there he is. That is how you draw Omni Naut Heatblast. Now this guy, well, these are the only Omni Nauts that I saw in the movie. Hopefully it'll be canon to the TV show itself. And, well, if the TV show ever came back, which is now online, that'd be something. Anyway, that's all for now. Stegosaurus, see you later, and let me know what new alien you want me to draw next. I hope Ben 10 comes out with more new monsters to draw up.